Hello students. In this session we are going to learn that is the chemical reaction of haloalkanes, that is second chemical reaction, elimination reaction. In this elimination reaction, what happens when haloalkane that containing beta hydrogen is heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide to form alkene. So this dehydrohalogenation, hydrogen or halogen दोनों निकल जाता है and will get the product alkene. So this hydrogen is eliminated, that is beta hydrogen. This beta hydrogen from the beta carbon. So this beta hydrogen is eliminated from that a carbon according to the Sergev rule. Sergev rule के तहत जो है ना यहाँ पे that hydrogen will be eliminated along with the halogen will get the alkene. This is elimination. Third reaction है, that is a reaction with the metals. So first, this reaction with metal that can be observed by the Victor Grignard. He observed that when the alkyl halides are treated with active metals like magnesium, we will get the alkyl magnesium halide. So this alkyl magnesium halide, this is what we are calling it as the Grignard reagent. The general formula of Grignard reagent is RMgX. So this RMgX is the Grignard reagent. So ये होगा हमारा Grignard reagent. These Grignard reagent are very reactive one because of that containing covalent bond as well as the ionic bond. Next हमारा जो reaction है, reaction with metals, ये haloalkane के साथ यहाँ पे next reaction आता Woods reaction. So Woods reaction क्या होता है? This is very important. So when two molecules of alkyl halides are heated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form higher alkanes. This is a Woods reaction. So ये होगा हमारा chemical reactions. Next we are going to deal that physical properties of these haloalkanes. So these first point of physical property, the haloalkanes are highly polar molecules but they are insoluble in water because of they are not form hydrogen bond with water molecules. And the boiling point of these alkyl halides or haloalkanes gradually increases. That increase in their size of the atoms. Okay, size of the atoms whenever they increases, that the boiling point also be increases gradually from fluorine to iodine, alkyl fluoride to alkyl iodide. This we are going to learn one by one in a detailed some more extra knowledge for this elimination reaction as well as that Woods reaction. Okay, so students, we are going to deal the elimination reaction of a haloalkane. That is the second reaction of a haloalkanes. So elimination reactions in which when the alkyl halides that containing beta hydrogens are heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. So alkyl halides that containing beta hydrogens are heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. The dehydrohalogenations takes place and lead to the formation of alkene. So हमारे को जो है ना यहाँ पे जो alkene product formation होता है. So this is the elimination reaction. So what happens in this reaction? When the alkyl halides that containing beta hydrogen, ये जो है ना beta hydrogen है, तो this is a alpha carbon and this is the beta carbon. So इस तरीके से beta hydrogen containing alkyl halides are heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. तो dehydrohalogenation will be takes place. Dehydrogenation तो ये निकल जाता है HBr प्लस HBr बाहर, तो हमारे को बस यहाँ पे CH2 डबल बॉन्ड, पहले सिंगल तभी डबल CH2. This is a alkene is formed and this alkene, the name of this alkene is a ethene and this is a ethyl bromide. So ये ethyl bromide है. So this is a elimination reaction. So this elimination reaction will be carried by according to the Sedgwick rule. तो ये Sedgwick rule क्या होता है यहाँ पे? Sedgwick rule. This Sedgwick rule tells when the more than one beta hydrogens are present in the alkyl halides, अगर एक से बढ़ करके बीटा हाइड्रोजन अगर है उसमें, जब the most greater substituted alkene is that containing a greater alkyl groups, तो हमारे को जो है ना प्रेफर्ड जो प्रोडक्ट मिलता है पे द अल्कोहलिक KOH हीट करें. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 2-bromopentane. 2-bromopentane. तो जो अल्काइल हैलाइड्स दैट कंटेनिंग बीटा हाइड्रोजन, तो बीटा हाइड्रोजन कौन से होते हैं इसमें? दिस इज अल्फा कार्बन टू द नेक्स्ट बीटा कार्बन कुछ हाइड्रोजन अटैच होता है बीटा हाइड्रोजन. इस साइड भी बीटा हाइड्रोजन है, दिस साइड पे भी जो है ना बीटा हाइड्रोजन होता है. तो कौन सा हाइड्रोजन ऐसे निकल जाता है? तो ये वाला, ये थर्ड कार्बन का जो हाइड्रोजन है यहाँ से निकल जाता है. इसको हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, ऊपर इधर लिख लिए हम CH2, H ऊपर लिख लिए. तो दिस according to Sedgwick rule, the alkene is formed that containing a greater number of alkyl groups on the doubly bonded carbon. जो यहाँ पे जो डबल बॉन्ड होता है, that carbon containing greater number of alkyl groups. ये डबल बॉन्ड इधर कार्बन पे, ये जो है ना लेस नंबर ऑफ दैट इज अल्काइल ग्रुप, ये जो है ना इधर का ग्रेटर नंबर ऑफ जो है ना अल्काइल ग्रुप जो है ना यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है. इसीलिए दिस कार्बन बियरिंग दैट हाइड्रोजन विल बी एलिमिनेटेड इन दिस रिएक्शन एंड वी विल गेट द अल्कीन. हमारे को अभी मिलता है पे CH3 CH2 CH, ये बना डबल बॉन्ड CH एंड CH3 प्लस ये HBr बाहर, dehydrohalogenation will be takes place. So according to the Sedgwick rule, the greater the substituted alkene is formed. तो इसका नाम क्या होता है आपके? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pent-2-ene. So pent-2-ene is our major product according to Sedgwick rule. ये Sedgwick rule के तहत जो है ना हमारे को जो मेजर प्रोडक्ट मिलता है. अगर हम ये जो हाइड्रोजन को अगर निकाले, समझो when this hydrogen is removed we will get a pent-1-ene as a product, but that is not a Sedgwick rule. So according to Sedgwick rule we will get the major substituted alkene is the product. So this is our elimination reaction. Okay, next थर्ड है यहाँ पे हमारा जो थर्ड केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ अल्काइल हैलाइड का कौन सा है? दैट इज रिएक्शन विथ मेटल्स. तो these alkyl halides react with some of the active metals like magnesium, sodium, aluminium. तो इस तरीके से एक्टिव मेटल के साथ जो है ना ये रिएक्ट हो करके दैट लीड टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट्स. सो यहाँ पे रिएक्शन विथ मेटल्स. सो दिस द रिएक्शन ऑफ मेटल्स दैट इज फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय द ग्रिग्नार्ड. सो यहाँ पे जो है ना फर्स्ट जो साइंटिस्ट ग्रिग्नार्ड बोल के, विक्टर ग्रिग्नार्ड, he observed that when these alkyl halides are he treated with a magnesium metal अल्काइल हैलाइड को जो है ना मैग्नीशियम मेटल के साथ क्या करते हैं, उन्होंने रिएक्शन करते हैं। रिएक्शन करने के बाद ये अल्काइल हैलाइड्स है, दिस इज आर एक्स react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether to get alkyl magnesium halide. So इस तरीके से अल्काइल मैग्नीशियम हैलाइड ए हाईली रिएक्टिव ए ऑर्गेनोमेटालिक कंपाउंड जो है यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन होता है, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड ए ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट। इसको बोलते हैं यहाँ पे ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट। दिस इज अ ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट, ग्रिग्नार्ड reagent. So this Grignard reagent is a highly reactive because this containing covalent bond as well as the ionic bond. So this is highly positive one, and this is a negative, and this is partially negative. So because of this reason, this is a very reactive that containing both a covalent as well as the ionic bond, and this is the first observed and prepared by the Victor Grignard, and this is known as the Grignard reagent. The general form of Grignard reagent is RMG. यहाँ पे हम जो Grignard reagent के बारे में जो ना डिस्कशन कर रहे थे, तो ये जो Grignard reagent है, the general form of Grignard reagent is RMGX, and this is prepared by the Victor Grignard. So ये कैसा जो है ना प्रिपरेशन करते हैं यहाँ पे, फर्स्ट दिस कैन बी alkyl halides we are taking. This is a ethyl bromide is treating with magnesium metal in presence of क्या, dry ether, in presence of dry ether क्या होता है यहाँ पे, we'll get CH3 CH2 MgBr. So this is a that Grignard reagent. इसको बोलते हैं यहाँ पे Grignard reagent. So ethyl magnesium bromide. So this ethyl magnesium bromide is a Grignard reagent. So this is an example of Grignard reagent. This is a ethyl bromide, and this is a magnesium metal. So this is an example of a Grignard reagent. So next अभी जो करने जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे another important reaction of haloalkanes with metal, that is the Wurtz reaction. कौन सा reaction है, Wurtz reaction. This is a very important for exam point of view. Also you learn in your lower classes Wurtz reaction. So यहाँ पे Wurtz reaction, what is the Wurtz reaction? This is also important. So a Wurtz reaction here, when alkyl halides are treated with sodium metal. So alkyl halides, that is RX alkyl halides, when 2 moles of alkyl halides is treated with sodium metal in presence of a dry ether, again dry ether, to form higher alkanes. हमारे को जो है ना higher alkanes यहाँ पे formation होता है, and we'll get 2NX. This is a alkane, हमारे को alkane formation होता है. So this is an alkyl halide. So when 2 molecules of alkyl halides are treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, we'll get a higher alkanes. So this reaction is known as the Wurtz reaction. यहाँ पे कैसा होता है, for example यहाँ पे reaction we are taking methyl CH3 Cl ले रहे, समझो methyl chloride ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे, So this methyl chloride plus 2Na प्लस और एक मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ मिथाइल क्लोराइड, इसको हम उल्टा लिख रहे हैं ऐसा, CH3Cl, टू मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ इथाइल क्लोराइड इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ड्राई ईथर, सो यहाँ पे जो है ना इतना सा निकल जाता है, इतना निकल गया सोडियम के साथ बाहर, तो आपस में ये CH3 ये CH3 एंड CH3 प्लस 2NaCl, 2 Cl बाहर, तो यहाँ पे जो है ना 2NaCl, सो हमारे को मिलता है यहाँ पे दिस इज द ईथेन इज आवर प्रोडक्ट, दिस इज methyl chloride. This is alkyl halide. So when the two molecules of alkyl halide, यहाँ पे एक है, यहाँ पे एक methyl chloride. The methyl chlorides, when two molecules of methyl chlorides is heated with sodium in presence of dry ether, will get ethane. So this is the Woods reaction. This is a general form. This is an example of a Woods reaction. So these are the such kind of reactions that can be exhibiting by the haloalkanes with the metals. Okay, so यहाँ पे देख रहे physical properties of haloalkanes. First boiling point का order क्या होता है यहाँ पे? So the boiling point decreases from alkyl iodides to alkyl fluoride. So whenever that the size of the molecule decreases, that boiling point also be decreases in the same alkyl halides from iodide to fluorine. Next, that whenever the same molecules, that is the same isomers of alkyl halides, whenever the branching increases, that a boiling point decreases. Boiling point decrease होता है. And whenever the carbon chain increases, the boiling point increases. यहाँ पे जो है ना ज़्यादा कार्बन का chain length ज़्यादा है, तो this is a more than, this is less, उसके बाद ये कम होता है. And next जो है ना bond strength in haloalkanes decreases, that size of the halogen atom increases. अगर halogen atom का जो size increase होता है, उनका जो bond strength होता है तो वो decrease होता है. तो fluorine is a very stronger, उससे भी कम, that is a alkyl chloride, उससे भी कम alkyl bromide, उससे भी कम जो है ना bond strength alkyl iodide में होता है. और next जो है ना यहाँ पे the dipole moment decreases as electronegativity of halogen decreases. And next is the haloalkanes, though polar but are insoluble in water. ये जो molecules जो alkyl halides होते हैं पे polar होते हैं, but they are insoluble in water because they do not form hydrogen bond with water. वो water के साथ hydrogen bond जो है ना formation नहीं कर सकते. Okay, these are the physical properties of haloalkane.